Pete Vassar with Diversified Machine Systems, and I'm an electrical and finishing production manager. And today I'm going to talk about 3 key points in increasing the longevity of your machine. The first point is cleanliness. And when I talk about cleanliness, I'm talking about the bearing surfaces that everything rides on and the lead screws, which are up underneath here. At least every 40 hours of runtime, you're going to want to take a rag soaked in machine oil and wipe these surfaces clean, and then make sure that you re-oil the machine in the runner blocks and then in the ball nuts that drive it. And then the second point on cleanliness is tooling. So rust can build up around the cone of this tool holder here and can get inside the spindle and damage the inside of the spindle. So you want to take, if rust starts to build up on the tool, you want to clean that off and make sure you wipe it down with an oil rag, and then clean the inside of this, of the cone of the spindle. The third point I want to talk about is balance tooling. So your tooling should hold a dynamic balancing of G equals 2.5 or better.